So Kazi is saying I should start the show. And I'm like, okay, but I'm not ready. And he's like, start the show, just start the show. So I don't know so I'm just starting the show, but I'm putting this thing in my ear now. So start the show.
Here,
I'm like, okay, but I'm not ready. And he's like, start the show, just start the show.
If we don't get like,
so I don't know so I'm just starting the show, but I'm putting this thing in my ear.
I'm gonna get back here,
now,
guys.
so
There's a bunch of things
start the show.
Here,
I'm like, okay, but I'm not ready. Start the show.
I want to tell you, it's gonna be a very boring
week. I don't know so I'm just starting the show, but I'm putting this thing in my ear.
I'm gonna get back here, guys. There's a
bunch
bunch of things.
Start the show.
Here.
Okay, good. No worries. You see, this is what I'm saying. Like, start the show. For what, bruv? We ain't ready, bruv. We ain't ready. Oh my gosh. Okay. Echo. Oh my god, I hear 4 Fefes. Good, bruv! 4 times the alpha. How many likes do we have? 71? Goodbye. I left at 71 and we went up to 8. Oh yeah, okay, 106. Okay, there you go. Okay, let me just do this here. I need to buy a fridge today, so. Okay, switch to a live chat, Costas. Okay, Daddy, Ramen, you can't call me Daddy, bro. It's only the beautiful girls that can call me daddy. I wanted to say only my wife that can call me daddy. Sorry. I wanted to say. Okay. So, guys, bunch of things. I had a show on Crypto Live. You want to look at that if you want to understand some of the fundamentals. Downgrade news happening. Problem. We do have stocks a little bit tanking. And we do have the US Open very, very soon, which is CME already open. But I do think that the US Open, New York Open will have a massive impact as well. Now, the market is tanking a little bit here. As you can see on the weekly, down drastically, like Jupiter 20%, DOT 14, Bong 20, Pi 51. Oh, I'm surprised it's only down 51%. Lido 21, Say 20, HWAR 12, 13, IOTA 16, Gala 20. So do have a bunch of tokens down. But I do think that this can actually be just the beginning of the whole carnage, if you will. The reason why I think that is because if you look at this, I actually had a thread here. And I updated you in the Telegram as well. But I said there's 2 scenarios that I see playing out. One is that we're going to get a pullback on the 4-hour chart down here to the 3.1 trillion-ish region. Now, if we get that and we get a higher high, that's beautiful. That would be the best case scenario. It's 2-3%. Some of the coins are down to the 4-hour PY, so it would be incredible. But the second scenario is that is unlikely in my opinion, but anything can happen. Is that we're gonna get a pullback all the way down to the daily OB down here at 2.8, 2.9. That's the daily equilibrium, which would be effed if you ask me. So if you look at some of the levels, let me just look at the total as well and explain to you what I mean. Just go here. So if you look here, some of the most important levels are the following, right? On the 1-hour chart, this is a perfect market structure shift. Right, so you have a retraced liquidity here, you have a lower low, and then on the hourly there is a close below this major level that actually took liquidity from all here. This is actually a retrace back here. So beautiful retrace to this OB and then a rejection from there, and that rejection does not look good. Now I would not be surprised to see a little retrace here and even a push through. Like I would not even be surprised to see this, right? But ultimately what I would like to see, what I would be happy to see, is that we got a retrace to this OB up here, potentially something like this, and then show an hourly or a 15-minute market structure shift, meaning a lower low on a 15-minute chart, at least. If that happens, you've got a problem. And I'm going to short it. I'm going to post it in the Telegram. And I said that the Telegram is completely for free. You can join now. I am going to post it in there. But the thing is, that I said don't short it, but if this happens and it's a perfect market structure shift and it's a strong market structure shift, I have to short it. There is no other way than to short it, and it's all the way down here to the 3.1 trillion. But what I would rather like to see, to be honest with you, which would put it a little bit more bullish, it would put this in a little bit more bullish sentiment, is that if we could get down to the 3.1 trillion here, immediately. So like in New York Open, we could just come all the way down here and show a market structure shift in a 15-minute and be done with it. Because if this happens, I do think that this liquidity on top will get taken. So if we see a market structure shift down here at the 3.1 trillion, I don't know if we're gonna go lower, but I believe that we are going to see a massive push. If we come down here and we see a strong market structure shift, means a higher high, like a very strong higher high, and a 15-minute 50% retrace on a 15-minute chart, and then possibly on the hourly, this could actually be a very, very strong indication that we're going to see a massive push and you want to long that. Until then though, this is nothing, okay? Until then, unfortunately, this is a bearish structure and we're coming down to 3.1. If there's no change, if there's no market structure, if we fall very, very hard, I am expecting down here 2.85-ish trillion region. That would put odds probably 25%, 20-25% down. So we are going to see how that plays out. Definitely flat right now, flat, completely flat. So I said that I'm running this account against 𝗙𝗙𝗘𝗘. I'm down, how much I'm down? Am I down? I'm down $160 on the account. So I started with 5,000. I'm running this account against 𝗙𝗙𝗘𝗘, and I'm just gonna run this probably. I never really show accounts like this, but I just loaded this on up to be able to beat 𝗙𝗙𝗘𝗘's bots. So we're gonna do that. But I'm flat, completely flat, except I do have my spot positions, like she's 60%, 70% allocated. 𝗙𝗙𝗘, can you please talk about getting bias on higher time frame before going to lower time frame entries? Please, Mr. 𝗙𝗙. Higher time, yes, it's simple. Like higher time frame has to be bullish, and you confirm on the lower time frame. The 4-hour BTC is looking poppy. I mean, I don't know why you say that, because if you look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin is actually looking horrible. Like this here is horrible. This is the definition of a strong market structure shift. Liquidity swept, close above on the hourly, close below on the hourly. This is horrible. This is horrible, horrible, horrible. I know I haven't been showing the screen, now I'm showing. So sweep above, close below. This is horrible, horrible, horrible. It's very, very bad looking. I would not be surprised if it would start coming down to sub 100 and then hopefully reverse from there. But until then, I'm not bullish at all. I'm not even interested. Now, what a lot of people screw up here, including me sometimes, is that you start catching falling knives, right? So you start catching this falling knife and you start, you know, hoping that this is going to be the reversal, and you start buying, and you're getting stopped and stopped and stopped. And that is the problem. You do not want to do that. So you do not want to do that. You want to wait a little bit. This week is substantial in many ways anyway. So just hold on to your horses, and even if it starts pushing, so like a lot of times I got a question, okay, but what happens if you miss that whenever, you know, what happens? Well, one, I'm not gonna be sad, but even if I miss this, what if this starts pushing? Well, the only thing that happens on the 1 hour is that I'm going to have a very clear invalidation, because if I push like this, I'm gonna be, okay, this is the low here, we wait over 50 retrace, so I just start layering in here, and I'm just gonna play it that way. I'm not losing anything by securing my capital and not trying to catch a falling knife, which I think is going to fall hard as a mofo. So ultimately, I'm not worried about any of these. We're gonna look at charts. You can just let me know. What charts you want to look at. But also, we have to get to like 250 likes. So I don't want to play Taylor Swift here.
I already told them if they don't smash the like, then Taylor Swift.
But I'm people like today. I'm especially tired. So like, if you want to play this, it's fine. I'm even happy to stop the show. To be honest with you, I'm exhausted.
Tell the story.
Huh? There was a fucking spider in this. I'm not even kidding. I thought they were joking with me, but Cuz took my water bottle down to fill it, and he took the lid off, and there was a spider like this big on top here. Have severe PTSD, bro. And I was drinking the whole day from this bottle. I'm not even kidding. I don't even know how the fuck did it survive. Like if I drink, like I'm just trying to imagine, like I'm here, huh? Yeah, but how does it float on the water if I do? Like imagine, like go this and I go, oh, no, was it floating on the water like that?
Yeah.
No way, bro. Oh my god. I'm gonna play the frog song? Yes, of course. My wife will be very happy about it. Just remember, 𝗙𝗙𝗘𝗘, you're quite a big influence in the crypto space. Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate you. The new Spider-Man. I am. Oh man, just it's one of those days, you know. Like I didn't even want to do a stream, but I was like, I have to come in here and just tell you this thing. I'm gonna update you on the Telegram anyway, but I was like, I'm gonna beat Cuz in stick fights. And I have to buy a fucking fridge today. What does not kill you make stronger? Yes. I mean, yeah. Ondo, spider water. Okay, let's go. Let's do some charts. Bitcoin. Told you. Looking at Listen, what's your $1 billion hustle? Keep grinding. I'm so happy. Weekly. Hamza, you're gonna be banned from the channel for life. You fuck. You guys, bro. Seriously. If you would just smash the like as good as you try to burn me. Let's go. Let me just play some proper music here because I just feel like what is happening. Like I have to play some music here. Let me know if the music is too loud. Bitcoin. Looking at sub 100k. Just a test in here. 15-minute market structure shift recover. This is what I'm looking at. Right? Above 92 bullish. But then comes the next level. Which is if you if you pull it on a higher time frame.
We can't change the music, it's super hard.
Looking at 92,000 as the daily and the weekly retrace would be absolutely gorgeous buying opportunity. ETH is already breaking below. Look at this. Like ETH is cooked. Look, it has a 4-hour close below here. It's done. ETH is done. So looking at on ETH, looking at 2,235. 235. That's it. Just looking at this level and then move on from there. Solana structure looks beautiful, but don't forget that there is a rally-based rally here. There was no 50% retrace after the daily high, so I would not be surprised to see Solana down here, dipping below 130.40. First level on Solana is down here. It's already back to the 50. Like, you can also trade it as a scalp. I wouldn't do it again because there's a bunch of things. This is the toughest thing to do. Just wait out. And I know it's tough and whatever, but it's very, very tough. You gotta wait out. So Solana came back. You have two ways of going at it. What I'm gonna do is just wait. Just wait for the week, see what the total does, see if we have a dip, whatever. But ultimately, if this would start coming lower a little bit down here, 153, I would really look for a market structure shift. We can have major pump opportunities. Like this is really when you can buy the next leg up. Like it's really good on 2-3x leverage. Once you have an hourly 15-minute market structure shift, you want to buy these. So first thing I would look at is a 15-minute on Sol, but also led by the total. So I want to monitor the total. But the next leg is actually down here, just sub this OB, which is, I don't think it will break that, to be honest, but it's 140-ish. So if we go below 140, could be the ultimate level. BNB coming down. Look, it's beautiful. Elevator, I always say elevator up, stairs down. Look at this. Elevator up, stairs down. Beautiful structure. This is also going to be a massive buy. You want to look for at least a 15-minute market structure shift. You don't have it anywhere. You don't have it here. You don't have it here. So you just wanna see it go a little bit lower in the V-shaped recovery. Usually, if the total really starts dumping, you want to wait for an hourly, and then we get in. You still have a bunch of time. You don't have to catch all the moves. You have to catch the big moves. Okay. On BNB, if you go lower here, an ultimate level, that's up there. So that's the 637 is not bad. But if the market starts dumping, this is actually a very strong level down here at 605. So 605 could be the level you're looking at. 600, 605, and then you want to look for a market structure shift from there. Want to see how it goes. You also can start taking liquidity, but ultimately these are the levels that I will be looking at. Doge. Same thing. Look at this. Same thing. Elevator up, stairs down. Beautiful. I mean, this is just primed. This is going to happen. It's going to... What? What's funny? Tell me what's funny.
Still laughing at the Hamza's joke.
Are you still laughing at Hamza's joke? It wasn't that good. Weekly. How do you say weekly? Weekly. Oh, weekly. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Oh, you posh. Weekly. Okay.
Check that YouTube video, how to say.
You know what? I say weekly. Okay, I say. Let's see, bro. Okay, here you go. How's the music?
We are looking at how to pronounce this word. How do you say it correctly? The pronunciation of weekly. Weekly. Pretty straightforward once you know both British and American pronunciations are similar as weekly, and now
Weekly.
you know.
Weekly. 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 Weekly.
C of V is V, like, and the W is we.
Okay, whatever, bro. How's the music? Can you hear the music? I never go back. Yeah, so Doge good. Doge is good. Elevator upstairs, down. Is the music too loud? So here, I mean, on Doge, it's already at the POI on the hourly. I just want to see it come all the way down here. Like if we could see a dump here, that would be good. At 19 cents, 19 cents, 19 cents would be the reason. Like we're gonna have so many good buys. We're just gotta be patient, not to get chopped up, not to get chopped up. Sui would have been a stop, but we stopped and break even. Was good. I think this is a liquidity inducement trap, so I think it's going to be taken on Sui, and we're looking at down at $3. Sui is I think Sui is one of the things I'm going to buy blindly. So I think Sui is going, I'm going to start buying Sui blindly. If we get down to the 3.4-ish level, I'm going to start layering in Sui. I don't, yeah. Sui 1.7 is the start. It's not going to go below that, but not at all. Why is my phone?
It turned up again.
No, it had this weird thing on the side, like an AI thing. I think I'm being scammed with this deal that I was talking about. Okay, AVAX, beautiful thing, beautiful structure, and it did come back 50. Look at this. I think this is good. So AVAX is good. I would accumulate AVAX when it comes back a little bit lower, not much, but a little bit lower. Down here at like $20 ish. $20, 15-minute market structure shift. Link is good. Waiting for market. Look, did I? Look at this. I literally drafted this here. Oh my god, this is why I'm gonna short this time. Because look, 14%. I literally drafted it's gonna come back to 50, and it did. It's the same thing that's gonna happen now. Same exact shit that I'm telling you about all the other coins is going to happen. So we need to see an hourly whatever. I think it's going to bleed down a little bit and then show a market structure shift here. This is what I'm looking at. Tron, I think this is going to pop. If Justin Sun announces that he's consulting 𝗙𝗓𝗙, I think this is going to be like XRP, same thing. Look, same thing. So expecting this to come back 50. It did come back 50. Need a higher high. Need a higher high. Something like this. Cardano looks good. I can't believe I'm saying this, but Cardano looks good. Never came back 50, but I think it will look good. I think it comes back here, down here, 68. Market structure. I'm gonna keep you posted on all this on the Telegram.
Oh, that's Apple Intelligence. Now we have available in our region as well.
So what? Apple Intelligence what?
On your phone.
Oh, Tao is sub 400, bruv. Here's my entry on Tao. Finally. Bro, I'm gonna buy Tao, like, I'm gonna throw the house at this thing. You know what I'm thinking? Like, Jen, not even kidding. Like, we have 600 people watching with 273 likes. I'd rather just go into the Telegram and spend this time with the guys on Zoom. Like, I genuinely, I'm not joking. Like, seriously, right? I mean, if you don't fucking smash the like button, how lazy fuck you are, you know? You come in here, you watch the show, I give you my life. I come back for holiday, I jump on the show, and you get in here and you don't even smash the like button. Like, what am I even doing here? No, seriously. So we're gonna do one more token. If we don't get like 350 likes, genuinely, we're just gonna jump into the Telegram. What do we have here? 388. Like, I'm literally waiting for this entry for a long time. It would be so good to get Tao down here. I mean, if this would be a liquidity inducement, it would be so fucking good. I mean, 320. 320, throw the house at it. I'm dead serious. Tao, I think, is going to be one of the big runners. Very serious people behind it. Very, very serious behind it. I had a research about some of the guys that are behind 𝗏. I think it's going to be huge. I think 𝗏 is 1,000 plus, 1,000, 2,000 token this cycle. This would be, I'm legit going to long 𝗏 from here. What would be the stop loss here? Yeah, it's big though, I think. We need an hourly or 4 hour market structure shift and I'm gonna long this. Athena, same thing. Look, Athena looks beautiful. Look at this. I think, is there a Kraken listing coming? I heard. Fuck, I hear that. I hope it's public information. I heard there's a Kraken listing coming. I don't know where I heard it from. Might have spilled a bit here.
From the beginning.
Well, maybe it's not public info anyway. It's not a... Yeah, it's here. It's here. Oh, thank God. Okay, anyway. Yeah, I think the listing is coming. To some of the major exchange. I don't know which one, but it's coming. So I would look for actually this doesn't really look bad here. 30%. I mean, this is, yeah, Athena and 𝗏 is something that I want along. Like this. I want to long these things. Ton, stop that break even here. What is this sound?
It's similar to say also.
What is this? INJ? Looks good as well. INJ could be super cool as well. Look at this. INJ has a big room to grow. Go all the way 33-ish. Massive trade. 200% trade. I think the next stock is... Oh, look at this, man. Oh, we're on the lot. 235. Guys, really appreciate you being here. Thanks for all of you joining the Telegram. I think tomorrow we're going to do it live here. We've got a bunch of stuff to do. Next time, please make sure to like the show. It takes 2 seconds. I truly appreciate that. Take care. Check out these videos. Click here to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.